Today I'm reviewing another product that I received through Amazon Vine. As always, these are items sent to me to test and share my honest experience. So let's take a look at this one. First off, you get this really nice gift box. Inside the box, you get a personalized fanny pack with the letter C. These can actually be customized. Then you get a motivational water bottle, a really cute keychain. You also get a beautiful beaded necklace and a small card where you can write a personal message. So the card unfolds and you get this nice writing area to just put in your personal message. This is everything that comes in the box. So let's take a look at each item a little closer. To start off, we have this keychain. This is honestly so adorable. It's personalized with an initial and I really love the details. The glitter accents make it stand out and it feels like a fun accessory you can clip onto the bag or keys. Again, this will be customized based on the letter that you pick. Next is this beaded necklace. This is actually a very pretty necklace. It's very cute. I love the colors. They're bright and playful. Now, my favorite, let's take a look at the fanny pack. This is engraved with the letter C and the engraving looks really nice and clean. So when you open it up in the main compartment, there's a mesh pocket on one side and then a divided mesh pocket on the other side, plus plenty of space in the middle. There's also a zippered back pocket and the strap is adjustable. So all of the pockets are zippered, which I really like. Last but not least is this motivational water bottle. This one is really nice. It has time markers on it to encourage you to drink water throughout the day. And the bottle itself feels like good quality. It's a great size and definitely something you'd actually use, not just throw in a drawer. Overall, I think this is a really nice personalized gift set. Everything comes packaged well, the items feel thoughtful, and it saves you the trouble of having to pick out separate gifts. I'm happy with it and I'll definitely recommend it as a birthday gift option.